Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you what we can do with papayas. Are you for real? So here we are in the garden and I've got this lovely papaya just about ready. We had at least half a dozen in our first year on this crop here, and somebody, one of our children, backed a wheelie bin into the tree and smashed off a few green ones. So rather than wait for them to ripen, let's see what we can do with the green ones. Instead of waiting for the papaya to ripen and become nice and orange and eat it fresh, we can have a green papaya and use it as a salad. So a lot of people would be familiar with this, and I'd be really grateful if people want to leave comments if you've got your recipes for making green papaya salad. But this is just a basic rundown of the way we've just done it. And not prepared with me tools. And then we've got this tool which you can buy in an Asian grocer, and it will just strip the skin off to begin with. And I'm going to leave a bit of skin here to hold on to it, and you can see some seeds coming out. Look at that. So I'm just going to get those green bits off it, and now I can strip it like this, and this is how we make our papaya salad. Grab our bowl, so we've got a cute coconut bowl here, and put our papaya salad in the bowl. And the other thing that we're adding to it, the other main ingredient that I'm adding, is peanuts. We're just putting those in for some crunch, so that gives you that beautiful contrast or texture. And I've also got some ginger that I've got, and some what is this? Mint that was left over from something else. I think that's really important. If you've got Thai basil, that'd be fantastic as well. And there's some coriander going in, that's pretty good. And then we have some crispy noodles we're putting on top as well. And the final thing is, this ingredient is our Thai salad dressing. So we can put that on top, stir it around. Don't use too much of that, I don't think. Just enough to give it a bit of a vibe. And there we have it. So that's the green papaya salad. This, of course, is just our recipe that we've come up with, which is a very basic kind of recipe. It's a fine art in some other countries. So if people have got suggestions on how they like to make it, that'd be great. And if you haven't made it, try it for yourself. It's a fantastic thing, and it's a great way to use papayas that aren't ripe. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like the channel, like and subscribe, and we'll keep the videos coming. Thanks.